Leah mathematics. Sir, 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 Leah mathematics.
So we have a guest with us here today. What is your name?
Amaya Monroe.
Amaya. Amaya, what class are you in?
11 business.
11 business. So you're sitting the exam in a few months. What do you think? You will beat the maths or the maths will beat you?
I don't beat the maths.
Beat the maths, how bad?
Yeah. Bad.
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 So you should send an ambulance to the school on the day of the exam?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So your question says, if A is equal to 3, 6, 9, then the number of subsets of A is, and you have 3 options there, the floor is yours.
Okay, so A equals 3, 6, 9. And there's 3 numbers in the bracket. And the formula for subsets is 2 to the n power. N meaning power. Since there's 3 numbers in the bracket, we do 2 equals 3. 2 to the third power is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8, which is equal to 8, meaning the answer is 8.
So you'll circle D.
Yeah, D.
So you think it does beat the maths with this question, the maths will beat you?
D the maths.
Beat the maths, very good. So let's give a round of applause. So we have our next guest with us today. What is your name?
Jada Hinkson.
Jaden?
Jada.
Jada, okay, Jada. What class are you in?
11 business
11 business. So you want to be a businesswoman?
and accountant.
And an account. Okay, good. So you're sitting the math exam in a few months. You beating the maths on the exam day or the maths beating you?
I'm beating maths.
You beat the maths. How bad?
Lash up it.
Lash it up. All right, good. So the question says, how does a customer pay for an article marked at $50 if a sales tax of 6% is charged? So let me see how you will answer this question.
Okay, sir. So firstly, you find 6% of the $50, and that will be equal to $3.
How you got that $3? How you got 3?
Because 6 divided by 100 times 50 will be equal to 3.
And you did all of that mentally?
No. Yeah.
You can use calculator in the paper one. So let me see, work it out, let me see. So that we'll see how you work it,
6% is equal to 100, so it'll be 6 divided by 100 times 50. And then you do your crossing out, your zeros, and then 5 into 10 is 2, 5 into 5 is 1, and then the common factor between 2 and 6 is 2. So 2 into 6, 3, 2 into 2, 1. So that will be equal to how you get 3 as the tax.
All right.
Now tax is adding on, so it will be $50 plus the $3, and that will give you $53.
So the answer would be?
C.
Very good. So you think you beat the maths or the maths beat you?
Well, it beat me a little, but I'm still sure that I could beat it.
All right, well done. So we have our next guest with us today. What is your name?
My name is Naomi Jamat.
Naomi. What class are you in, Naomi?
11 business.
11 business. So you have a lot of business people in this school.
Yeah.
So you're sitting the math exam in a few months. You think you're beating the maths or the maths beating you then?
Definitely beating it.
How bad will you beat this math?
Mash it up, lash it up, everything.
So do we need to send an ambulance to this school on the day of the exam? Okay, so I'll make a note of that and we'll send an ambulance. So let's go. Your question says, if 3n is an odd number, which of the following is an even number?
Okay, so since we don't have a value for n, we will take that out. So 3 is a odd number, and an example of odd number is 5, and therefore when you subtract 1 from 5, it's going to give you even number 4. So therefore your answer will be A, 3n minus 1.
So all you did, you just they said that 3n is an odd number, so you just use an example of an odd number, 5. And 5 minus 1 will give you 4, which is an even number. So the answer is 3n minus 1.
Yes.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Well reasoned. So circle the answer, let's see. Good. Well reasoned. Excellent. So,
Thank you.
so we have our next guest with us today. What is your name?
My name is Onisha Gittins,
Onisha Gittins. Onisha, what class are you in?
11 Business.
11 business. So your exam is coming up in the next few months. You think you're beating the maths or the maths beating you?
Flashing up the maths.
Beating up the maths very bad. So you have to send another ambulance at the school.
Yeah, I know.
All right. So, Onisha, your question says, a nice question, algebra. Make K the subject of the formula. And we have the formula here. 2a is equal to pi k squared plus 3t. So the floor is yours. Explain to us what you will do to answer this question.
Okay. Hi guys. So first of all, I'm very nervous. So when I write my number is just going to be all over the place, but I'll try. So first thing first, I would rewrite the question. 2a equals pi k squared plus 3t. So remember, we want to get k alone, right? The thing that is governing this equation right now is the 3t. So we're going to carry it over the equal sign. So it's going to be 2a minus 3t is equal to pi k squared. Remember, we want to get the k alone, and currently the pi is in the way. So when we carry it over the equal sign, what is it doing to the k right now? It's multiplying. Over the equal sign is divide. So it'll be 2a minus 3t over pi, which is equal to k squared. And lastly, the square, which is governing the k, over the equal sign. So it's going to be 2a minus 3t over pi. The square root, the entire equation, is equal to k.
That is your answer.
Yeah.
So you think you beat up the maths here or the maths beat you?
Beat up the maths.
Beat up the maths. Yeah, you did.
Thank you.
Well done. Give you a round of applause. So we have our next guest with us here today. What is your name?
My name is Brian Talbot,
Brian? Brian, what class are you in?
11 Science.
11 science. So you want to be a doctor, scientist, what?
I'm not quite sure yet.
Not quite sure yet. But are you sure that you will beat the maths in the next few months?
I have hopes.
Yeah. Have hopes, alright. So let's see. Let's put those hopes to the test.
Yeah.
So the question says, if h of x is equal to 3x minus 2 all divided by 5, then h of negative 6 is equal to, so the floor is yours, Brian.
So I will first rewrite the formula that is given, which is hx equals to 3x minus 2 over 5. Then I will substitute the formula with the given requirements. So h negative 6 is equals to 3 times negative 6 minus 2
Good.
over 5.
Good.
So this will be
Speak up a
equals,
bit, speak up.
this will be equals to negative 18 minus 2
Speak up, maybe. Speak
over
up.
5, which is equals to negative 20 over 5. Which should be equals to negative 4.
Negative 4, so the answer is what?
Negative 4.
So circle it. The answer is negative 4. So what do you think, Brian? Just beat the maths here or the maths just beat you?
You know the struggle, but I beat it.
You beat it. Yeah, it was a back and forth, but you beat it.
Yeah.
You beat it. So well done, Brian. So we have our next guest here with us today. What's your name?
Washan Wilson.
Roshan?
Washan W.
Washan?
Yeah.
Washan. What class are you in?
11 Arts.
11 arts. So you want to be a lawyer when you grow up? What do you want to be?
I actually want to be an automotive engineer.
Engineer.
Yeah.
All right, so You're sitting an exam in the next few months. What do you think? You beating the maths or the maths beating you?
90% sure.
90% sure that the maths will beat you?
No, I beat him.
Oh, just checking. So, your question says, the function f is defined as f of x is equal to 2x plus 7 all divided by 5. They want you to calculate the value of x for which f of x is equal to 9. And this question is worth 2 marks. So the floor is yours.
Okay, so first we put down 9. We substitute the f of x with 9, which is equal to 2x divided by, it's plus everything. Plus 7 over 5. So now, because we're trying to find for x, we're trying to get everything on the other side. So we will be, we start with the divided by 5. So it'll be 5 times 9 for 2x plus 7 times 9. 9 5s are 45 equal to 2x. 45 minus 7 equal 2x.
Now we're talking.
Alright, 45 minus 7. Take away, you want to get 3. 7 from 15. From 15 is 8. And you want 38. Well, 2x. Then we bring over the 38 divided by 2 is equal to x. 2 into 38, 2. 1s are 2. 1 left back. The 18. 2 9s are 18. We'll get x is 19.
So putting the x is equal to 19. Good. X is equal to 19. All right. So you think you beat the maths here or the maths beat you?
Beat the maths.
Beat the maths. Very bad.
Yeah.
All right. So thank you very much. Well done. So put your hands together for. So we have our next guest with us today. What's your name?
My name is Serena Kramer.
Serena. Serena, what class are you in?
I belong to 11 Business.
11 Business. So when you finish school, you want to be a businesswoman?
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. So something like that. Let me ask you this. Your exam is coming up in the next few months.
Yes.
What do you think? You beating the maths or the maths beating you?
I think half and half.
Half and half?
Yeah.
All right, so we gotta work and make sure we lean more towards you beating the maths, right?
Yes.
So your question says, what is the value of the digit 2 in the number 48.621? The floor is yours, Serena.
Okay, so the answer is 2 over 100. That is because going behind the point, the place of value starts from 1,000. So this would be 1,000, 100, and then this would be tenths.
You sure it starts from a thousands? It starts from
Tenths, ones, tenths, no, it started from tenths, hundreds.
So it starts from tenths.
Yeah, tenths, this would be hundreds, thousands. Back,
good.
sorry.
So you would have gotten the right answer, but
Yeah, I explained it wrong.
it was very nice that you learned it out. It was corrected, right? Good, very good, very good. You beat the maths. You think you beat the maths?
Yeah, but I still explained it wrong, so it beat me.
You accidentally beat the maths.
Yeah.
The main thing is you beat it. All right, so now that we have a good understanding, you will get this question right if it comes, right? If something like this comes. All right, so well done. So put your hands together for Serena.
Thank you.